Bruschetta is a popular Italian appetizer made with toasted bread, garlic, tomatoes, and olive oil. Here's an easy recipe to make bruschetta in an Indian kitchen. Ingredients: baguette or any crusty bread, sliced. Tomatoes, diced. Garlic, minced. Fresh basil leaves, chopped. Extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. 2. Place the sliced bread on a baking sheet and brush each slice with olive oil. 3. Bake the bread slices for 5 to 7 minutes, until they are lightly toasted and crispy. 4. In a mixing bowl, combine the diced tomatoes, minced garlic, chopped basil, olive oil, salt, and pepper. 4. Mix everything well. 5. Once the bread slices are toasted, remove them from the oven and let them cool for a minute or two. 6. Spoon the tomato mixture onto each slice of bread. 7. Serve the bruschetta immediately, garnished with additional chopped basil leaves. Enjoy your easy and delicious bruschetta.